Hi everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. I am Arpita Sharma, your educator, and after so long we are resuming back with the art and culture classes. हम बहुत समय बाद art and culture lecture series के साथ resume कर रहे हैं and today we are going to start with the folk dances. आज हम start करने वाले हैं folk dance से, right? Now this is again very important for prelims. ये prelims के लिए काफी important है, so you need to focus on this lecture series. इस lecture series पे आपको थोड़ा सा focus करना पड़ेगा आज, ठीक है? You have to remember some important nitty gritty and the pointers on the various folk dances, right? अब देखो काफी समय से ना folk dances के ऊपर इतने questions आए नहीं हैं. So UPSC being unpredictable, we all know, right? Like this year it focused on agriculture and farming activities more, so it can change its pattern again and focus more on art and culture, because art and culture for so many past previous years it has neglected the folk dance portion, but now it can again start with the folk dances, questions on folk dances, right? So we have to be well prepared. Now before starting the session, here's a small announcement for all of you. 25th October is coming. 25th October in the morning 10 a.m. the All India Free Mock Test will start for the civil services aspirants, and this test is very important. Why? Because in this test if you score from rank 1 to rank 50, अगर आप रैंक 1 से रैंक 50 के बीच में स्कोर करते हो, then you are going to win various prizes and scholarships up to rupees 5 lakh. Rank 1 to rank 3, you will get UPSC CSE 6-month subscription along with Amazon voucher of 10,000 rupees. If you are scoring from rank 4 to rank 10, you will win Amazon voucher of 10,000 rupees. Rank 11 to rank 30 in this test, you will get 5,000 Amazon voucher, rupees 5,000 का voucher मिलेगा. And rank 31 to rank 50, you will achieve the Amazon voucher worth rupees 3,000. So this is a very wonderful initiative started by Unacademy Plus with the name Unacademy Aspire. The link to this mock test is given below in the description box. Today is 21st, 22, 23, 24. After 3 days, this test is going to start at 10 a.m. in the morning. And also do not think that in the recorded test only you will get this particular prize and scholarships. If you are giving the test live, that is sharp at 10 a.m. in the morning, live test if you are giving, and you score between rank 1 to rank 50, then only you will be achieving these prizes and scholarships. तो ये मत समझना कि recorded test देकर ही आप अचीव कर सकते हो, live test आप मिस कर दोगे, नहीं. मॉर्निंग में 10 बजे 25 अक्टूबर को लाइव टेस्ट में बैठोगे तब, और रैंक 1 से रैंक 50 के बीच में आपका रैंक आता है, तो आपको ये स्कॉलरशिप और प्राइज मिलेगा. द सिलेबस इज सिंपल. Current events, history, Indian polity, governance, economic and social development, environment, ecology. Even if you are a beginner, attempt this test. ये तो mock test है ना, attempt करके देखो. You will understand the requirement of prelims. You will understand what questions are coming, what kind of questions are they are framing, what is the mindset of the examiner, right? You'll understand the pattern of prelims even if you are a beginner. And also at the end of the test you will receive your detailed analysis report also, which is known as DAR. आपको आपकी detailed analysis report भी इसके अंदर मिलेगी, ठीक है? तो इस टेस्ट को जरूर enroll करना. Link is given below in the description box. चलो, let's start with the class. Now when we talk about the folk dances of India, right, it is very important for prelims. Folk dance help you to explore the rich cultural landscape of India. And folk dancers, see, there are two types of dances. First is classical, second is folk, right? Classical dance and folk dance, what is the difference? In classical dances there are rules and regulations which you need to follow. There are hand gestures, foot gestures, eye movement, face movement, etc. that you need to follow. But in folk dances, there are no such rules and regulations. These are small regional dances which are performed by local people without any formal training. These are spontaneous dances. Okay, and they are confined to a certain section of people or a certain particular locality. And the knowledge about folk dance is passed on to generation. So it has no rules and regulations. It is just performed spontaneously. So first folk dance that we are going to focus on is Chao. Chao. See, for prelims you need to memorize the folk dance, the features and the state where it is famous. ठीक है? तो folk dance में आपको ये याद रखना है कि उसके features क्या हैं उस dance form के, और कौन से स्टेट में वो परफॉर्म होता है, ठीक है? These two things for prelims you have to remember. So in case of Chao dance, it's a tribal martial art form of dance. ये tribal martial art dance है which is famous in West Bengal, Jharkhand and Odisha. Now it is named as Chao dance. Why Chao? चाओ हैज बीन ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम द टर्म छाया. छाया मीन्स शैडो. चाओ वर्ड आया है छाया से, जिसका मतलब होता है परछाई, शैडो. ठीक है, और ये मार्शल आर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ डांस है जो ओडिशा, झारखंड, वेस्ट बंगाल में फेमस है. Now, the Chow dances are complex combination of folk and classical dance. ये एक ऐसा folk dance है जिसमें classical dance भी इसमें डाला हुआ है. Classical मतलब इसमें थोड़े से rules regulations होते हैं. It narrates the mythological stories. It is a form of mask dance also. See, the dancer has worn a mask also, so it's a mask dance also in which martial movements are also performed to narrate the stories. Now, there are several themes which are used in Chow dance. For example, Mayur Nritya, wherein the dancer will dress like a peacock. Then Sarpa Nritya, wherein the dancer will, dress like a snake. So Saraikela Chow, which is famous in Jharkhand, Mayurbhanj Chow, in which mask is not used, it is famous in Odisha, and Purulia Chow is famous in West Bengal. Chow dance के भी तीन फॉर्म्स हैं. सरायकेला जो झारखंड में फेमस है, मयूरभंज जिसके अंदर मास्क नहीं पहना जाता ओडिशा में फेमस है, और पुरुलिया चाउ जो है वो वेस्ट बंगाल में फेमस है. These are the three main styles of Chow dance, and it is also inscribed on the representative list of intangible cultural heritage of humanity by UNESCO in 2011. Right? So this is again, this statement also makes this dance form as one of the most important dance forms for UPSC. So when we talk about Chow, it is a folk dance performed in 3 states, Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal. There are various types of Chow dance. Chow dance के काफी सारे styles हैं. Bengal, Purulia Chow, Jharkhand, Seraikela Chow, and Mayurbhanj, which is famous in Odisha. Now in Purulia and Seraikela Chow, masks are used, but in Mayurbhanj Chow, in Odisha, masks are not used. And Chow has traditionally been performed by men only. This is also important. Now recently women have also started performing in Chow dance, but traditionally it is a men dance, men oriented dance. Traditionally एक men oriented dance है, ठीक है? Now next important dance form is Veeranatyam. Veeranatyam is famous in Andhra Pradesh. ये जो dance form है ना, ये आंध्र प्रदेश में famous है. And Veeranatyam means dance of the brave. वीर वर्ड का मतलब क्या होता है? वीर मीन्स ब्रेव. ठीक है, वीर मतलब ब्रेव, बहादुर. ठीक है, एंड इट इज अ ट्रिब्यूट टू गॉड शिवा एंड goddesses Veerabhadra. Now the dance consists of hand gestures, flaming tridents and spears, and there are colorful dhotis which are worn by the dancers, as you can see in the picture also. So you have to remember to which Hindu god this dance form is dedicated, and you have to remember that this dance form, in this dance form, which state is famous for this dance form? That is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh state जो है वो इस dance form के लिए काफी famous है. ठीक है. Now comes Dolu Kunitha. Dolu Kunitha is an outstanding and dynamic folk art of Karnataka. The dance is confined to males with good physique. A hollow drum is tied on the waist of the performer, and it's a religious and cultural ritual and is performed mostly by kurubas. Kuruba community जो है, जो कि बीरे देवारू के devotees होते हैं, भक्त हैं, तो कुरुबा कम्युनिटी इस डांस फॉर्म को परफॉर्म करती है, जिसका नाम है डोलू कुनीता. ठीक है. कुरुबा कम्युनिटी इज ऑल्सो नोन एज कुरुबा, कुरुमा and Kuruba Gowda. It's a Hindu caste native to Indian state of Karnataka, where it is the third largest caste group also. So Kuruba community, to know about Kuruba community, that is also very very important. ये भी बहुत important है कि Kuruba community Hindu caste community आपको याद रखना है, और ये community कर्नाटका में पाई जाती है. ठीक है. Coming on to the मटकी डांस, as you can see, अगर आप दिल्ली में दिल्ली, गुड़गांव, एनसीआर रीजन के आसपास रहते हो तो आपको पता होगा there is a kingdom of dreams, right? This kingdom of dreams, it also conducts this मटकी डांस. केओडी दिल्ली, गुड़गांव, एनसीआर में अगर आप रह रहे हो तो आपको पता होगा केओडी नाम की एक जगह है, वहां पर ना मटकी डांस जो है वो परफॉर्म किया जाता है. राइट. सो मटकी डांस इज अ फोक डांस पॉपुलर इन द स्टेट ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश. कहाँ पर फेमस है ये डांस फॉर्म? मध्य प्रदेश में फेमस है, स्पेशली इन द मालवा रीजन, एंड इट्स अ टाइप ऑफ रसा डांस. नाउ डांस जो होता है ना, उसमें दो एलिमेंट्स होते हैं. देयर आर टू एलिमेंट्स इन डांस. फर्स्ट इज द रसा एलिमेंट, सेकेंड इज द तांडवा एलिमेंट. द रसा एलिमेंट shows the emotions. And what kind of emotions? Emotions of love, emotions of sadness. तांडवा shows the emotion of anger, right? तो रसा जो आपका इमोशन है ना, वो मटकी डांस में देखने को मिलता है. In this particular dance form, the love towards God Krishna is depicted. इस डांस फॉर्म में कृष्ण के लिए जो हमारा प्यार है वो शो किया जाता है. Women perform it during marriages and festivals, and fingers or ring on the finger is used to strike the empty pot while maintaining the time beat. Dhol is the musical instrument which is used in this folk dance, and the costumes are sari and lehenga. Okay. कमिंग ऑन टू कालबेलिया. कालबेलिया डांस के बारे में प्रीलिम्स में प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर में क्वेश्चन आ चुका है. इट हैज बीन आस्क्ड ट्वाइस बाय द एग्जामिनर इन प्रीलिम्स. 2 बार पूछा जा चुका है. इट इज फेमस इन राजस्थान. ये राजस्थान का फोक डांस है. ठीक है. द डांस मूवमेंट्स आर लाइक सर्पेंट्स. द मोस्ट पॉपुलर म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट ऑफ दिस डांस इज बीन. Bean is a wind instrument which is placed by the chain snake catchers. जो snake catchers होते हैं ना वो बीन बजा के सांप पकड़ते हैं, तो वो इंस्ट्रूमेंट इसमें यूज किया जाता है. एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर प्रीलिम्स. वाई? बिकॉज इन 2011 यूनेस्को इंस्क्राइब्ड कालबेलिया फोक सॉन्ग्स एंड डांसेस इन द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव लिस्ट ऑफ इंटेंजिबल कल्चरल हेरिटेज ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटी. दैट इज वाई इट इज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट. कमिंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट डांस. नाउ इसके बारे में तो आपने सुना होगा. यू मस्ट ऑल हैव स्टडीड अबाउट दिस घूमर डांस फॉर्म, राइट? So Ghumar is the most popular folk dance form of Rajasthan only, and here the flowing dresses which the dancers are wearing, it is known as घाघरा. ठीक है. ये जो flowing skirt पहनी हुई है ना dancers ने, इसको घाघरा बोलते हैं. It is accompanied by all songs of love, glory or defeat, and it is performed in every season. Men also perform Ghumar. Now this question they can ask this in prelims. They can give you a statement that only women perform Ghumar dance form. That statement will be wrong. ठीक है. अगर आपसे बोलते हैं ना कि सिर्फ आदमी ही औरतें ही इस डांस फॉर्म को परफॉर्म करती हैं, वो स्टेटमेंट गलत होगा. बिकॉज इट इज ऑल्सो परफॉर्म बाय मेन. इसमें मेन भी हैं. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज रॉफ डांस विच इज अ फोक डांस ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, एंड इट इज परफॉर्म्ड बाय विमेन ड्यूरिंग द हार्वेस्ट सीजन. तो रॉफ डांस जो है वो जम्मू एंड कश्मीर का डांस है, फोक डांस है, जिसको हार्वेस्ट सीजन में परफॉर्म किया जाता है. अगेन यू हैव टू रिमेम्बर द स्टेट इन विच इट इज परफॉर्म्ड. आपको स्टेट ही याद रखना है इस डांस फॉर्म का. ठीक है. नाउ कमिंग ऑन टू द बिहू डांस. इसके बारे में तो आप सबने ही सुना होगा. यू मस्ट ऑल हैव हर्ड अबाउट द बिहू डांस, राइट? सो ओवर हियर बिहू डांस इज फेमस इन आसम. कहाँ पर फेमस है ये डांस फॉर्म? ये असम में फेमस है. एंड इट इज एन इंटेग्रल पार्ट ऑफ बिहू फेस्टिवल. बिहू फेस्टिवल का काफी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है ये, राइट? So again you have to remember the state in which this dance form is performed. कौन से स्टेट में डांस फॉर्म परफॉर्म होता है ये आपको याद रखना है. Now in the folk dance category, what kind of question they can frame in mains? Mains में कैसा क्वेश्चन बन सकता है? They can say, ask, while folk music and dance in India share common themes and concerns, there is a wide variety of forms. Comment. Folk music and folk dance जो है सबके थीम सेम ही होते हैं ऑलमोस्ट. लव, राइट? या फिर हार्वेस्ट सीजन सेलिब्रेट करना. बट इसके टाइप्स बहुत अलग अलग होते हैं. क्यों? वाई देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स? सो हियर यू हैव टू मेंशन योर आंसर. इन द इंट्रोडक्शन यू हैव टू मेंशन हाउ म्यूजिक एंड डांस आर लिंक्ड टू इंडियन कल्चर. ठीक है. देन डिस्कस इन पॉइंट्स बाय गिविंग एग्जांपल and show that Indian folk music has a different forms. For example, different forms are used in dandiya, lavani, tamasha, ghumar, and briefly describe them. Then discuss in points how folk music and dance they share common themes and concerns. For example, folk music is also played during birth ceremony, marriage ceremony, harvest ceremony. Music is same but the emotion is different. That is why they have different forms. Music तो same है, बस emotions की वजह से forms बदल जाते हैं. Because of emotions the forms they can change. Okay. So these are the homework questions. For example, in which state of India matki dance is performed? तो देखो easy question है ना ये. This is very easy. So these are your homework questions. You will get them in the PDF. आपको PDF मिल जाएगा on my Telegram channel Simplifying UPSC with Ease. I have given the homework questions as well, right? So homework the PDF will be uploaded on my Telegram channel. You can download it and solve the homework question. Okay. So this was all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's session. Also, do not forget to subscribe to Unacademy Plus. For free All India mock test series have been launched. Without subscription also you can give this mock test. Subscription नहीं भी है ना तो भी टेस्ट दे सकते हो. फ्री है ये mock test. ठीक है. Link is given below in the description box. ये free mock test का link दिया हुआ है description box में. 25th October morning 10 AM. Do attempt this test. Okay. On this note we are wrapping up the session. Thank you everyone.